Hello guys, today I'm reading you a book. I want a cuddle. I got a little cough. One little bunny fell off at her friends, but one fox is just sneaking in the grasses. And a spiky little man was gonna want to cuddle her. She cuddles much as she can. But he's too spiky. Hop, hop, hop. There was a squirrel up at there, but he said, "What's wrong, little bunny? I need a cuddle." She cuddled, but he's too feathery. Hop, 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 hops away. And he wants a cuddle of farty. He farts so much. Ew, ew, ew. Stay away from me. Hop, hop. What's wrong? What's wrong, little duck? What's wrong, little bunny? I need a cuddle. Let me cuddle you. You're too booby. Stay away from me. A little fox was sneaking around. Hop, hop away. She runs for more cuddles. She looked for more animals to see. She didn't look at the back if there's anyone catching her. She looks at the back, more animals cutting her. But there was a fox catching her. Hop, hop, hop fast. His tongue whacked out and his his lips too ready to eat. I want to eat you. I'll cuddle you. Okay, then I'll just handshake you. Hop away, hop, hop. Hop away, hop, hop. I'll just cuddle you this side. He shouts for his mama. Mama, mama, give me a cuddle. And she put her mouth inside her hair, and now she cuddles. And now she finds her mama and cuddle her. And now the fox finds his own mommy. The end. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my video. Bye.